Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you. It's a spring haul, and I think you're really gonna like it. It's coming from Walmart, Old Time Pottery, Target's Dollar Spot, Michael's, and Bed Bath & Beyond. So let's get started. I'm really excited. I think the first place we will go is Bed Bath & Beyond, okay? I wanted a tablecloth. I've used the same tablecloth now for about, I think this was the second time that I've done my table for Easter. And I had a pretty white one, and I wanted something a little different this year, so I picked up this mint green. It is so pretty. And it's just the Spring Splendor tablecloth, and it's a 70-inch round. They had them in pink and a cream, which was really pretty. And then this, I'm not sure if they had any other colors, but it was really nice. I don't have my bill with me, so I'm not sure, but this wasn't that expensive. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up the napkins. They come in a set of 4, and it wasn't very pricey either, but I just love that pretty mint green. And then I went ahead and picked up the placemats. But this allows you to see a little bit better exactly what they look like. I love them. They're so, so pretty, okay? And then to go with that, I picked up 4 of these little napkin holders. I think they are so pretty. It picks up a lot of the colors that they actually had in the, I don't know if that helps or not, but it'll look really pretty with it. But these are sort of the colors that they had in those tablecloths. But they're really pretty, so I picked up 4 of these. I just think you might be able to see the colors a little bit better together. I just think those are so pretty and soft looking, okay? So that's all I got at Bed & Bath. So I guess the next place we'll just go is Target's Dollar Spot. They had succulents out, and these were $3. And I loved how the stems look so real, so I got this one. And then I picked this one up just for a little added interest. And then I picked this one up, and all these were $3. But I love those stems. And this one I thought was gorgeous. And this one is really pretty, and this one's weighty. And then they had this one, so I think these are going to be beautiful, so pick those up. Okay, and that's all from Target's Dollar Spot. So I guess the next place we will go is probably Walmart, okay? So the first thing I picked up was some of these eggs, plastic eggs. I love the colors that they're in. And they were $1.98, and you get 20 eggs. So I thought that was pretty good. And then here are those eggs that when I did my Farmhouse DIY, I told you that they had the colored eggs. Well, they do. These are $1.98, and you can see they have all the different colors in here. I'm not crazy about the green, but I like every other color, okay? So I picked up 2 bunches of these. And then I saw this ribbon, and I loved it. It was so pretty. I think it was like $3 and something. I wish they would put the prices on these, but they don't, okay? But I loved it. I thought it looked so happy and spring-like, okay? So I picked that up. Then I saw this, and I thought that was adorable. This is metal, and he just looks so happy and fun, and you can hang it right like this. And it was $9.84, okay? Hope you can see that. It is so pretty. I loved it. And then I picked this up. I just think it is so pretty. Happy Easter with the bunny. And it was $4.84, which is not a bad price for something this tall and this pretty. So I loved that. And then I saw this. Now this, I believe, was like $8, I'm not sure. But all this was with their spring decor or their Easter decor, and I love this. It just has that whitewash kind of pickled effect. I loved it. It looks so farmhouse French country, so I definitely wanted to get that. And then I saw this little box with the bunny there, and I just thought he's adorable, so I picked that up. And then they had these really pretty lemon trees, like I did my lemon topiary. So I picked one of these up, okay, and it was, I don't remember, I think it was like $4 something, it wasn't much. And this was $3.47. This little container, I think is adorable. And then I picked up 2 of these 8x10 canvases. I have an idea that I want to do with this. And I think these were like $4 or $5, something like that. Now we'll go to Old Time Pottery. Okay, well, let's just go to Michael's and go ahead and get Michael's out of the way. I picked this really cute little bunny. I thought he was so adorable. And he was $6, but all their Easter decor is 40% off. So I thought he was adorable. And then I saw these lights, and they were $14, but they're on like these, looks like boxwood greenery. So when I saw that, I was like, I need that in my life. So I have some ideas for that. Okay, and then I got 2 of these little egg picks. They were $2, but they are 40% off as well. So I got 2 of these. Looks a little bit different. And then I saw this, and I just had to get one of these. I picked up one of these not long ago, but I got another one. It was $6, but 40% off. So that's what I picked up at Michael's. So let's just go to Old Time Pottery, okay? So the first thing, I picked up some ribbon. They always have the prettiest ribbon. So I picked this up. It was $3.99. I just thought that looked so vibrant. I just loved that. Okay, then I picked this up. It was $3.99, and I think that is beautiful too. And then I picked this one up. I just love that check like in the center, and it was $3.99 as well. And all of these are like, they have quite a bit on it. This has like 5 yards, okay? And then this one was $2.99, but I love that denim. And like I said, all these were 5 yards, but I think these are really pretty, okay? And then I picked up some floral foam while I was in there at $1.99. I got 2 of these. And then when I saw these, I couldn't believe these were on sale. This was normally $3.99, but it was like $2 and something. Look at that, how beautiful. They had it in the galvanized, and then this really pretty bronze, and I love bronze, so I picked that up. And they actually had 3 sizes. I only picked up 2 sizes. They had another one, no, they have 4 sizes. They have one smaller than this and then one bigger than this. So I picked this one up as well, and it was $4.99, but it was 3 something. So I just love these. I think they're so pretty. I just love Old Time Pottery. Okay, and then while I was in there, I picked up 4 bunches of these. I just thought with that pretty pink, I thought they were so pretty. They just look so delicate. All right, and these were $1.99. So I loved those. And then in the same section, basically, they had these, and I thought these were so pretty. So I picked up 4 of these, and they were $1.99 as well. But I love that like a fern look, and then these really pretty delicate purple flowers. I thought these were so, so pretty. Okay, so I've got these, okay. And then I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. I think these are so pretty. I just love them. We have some shrubs down here that just grow and they look like this, and I love them. And these were $3.99 a piece, but it doesn't take much and you really look like you have a lot. I love that purple color. And then the last thing that I picked up at Old Time Pottery were these, and they sort of look like rosemary to me. I love those. So I picked 2 of these up and they were $1.29, but I love how they just sort of look like I said, like rosemary. So that is all that I picked up for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun, and I have so many ideas for the items that I picked up. I can't wait to start DIY. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.